Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use um, Pro Suite Gold indicators on other charts, charts that are not part of the ready-to-use workspace you get when you download your product. So we're going to look at the indicator that are available um, to do that. So here, the Pro Suite Gold Flow Analyzer is available for intraday chart. The Pro Suite Gold Reference Synchronizer is available through intraday as well as daily or monthly or weekly charts. And the Pro Suite Gold Profile Builder Plus is also available, um, and it is applicable to um, intraday and day, week, or monthly chart. The King actually obviously is available everywhere. So these are the three indicators that you can use outside of the Pro Suite Gold uh, workspace. And out of these three indicators, only one, the reference synchronizer, needs the market profile chart to be running. And that's easy to understand because that indicator is getting its data from the market profile chart as well as daily, weekly, and monthly chart. But most of these reference are coming from the market profile chart. So that's why this chart has to be running to have this reference synchronizer working on any other chart outside of the Pro Suite Gold workspace. And you can apply this indicator in any other workspace that you may have open, as long as you have a workspace where the market profile chart is running. So we're going to go through here a example of applying these indicators outside of the Pro Suite Go workspace. So here I'm going to create a new chart. So I'm going to select yes, and I'm going to just apply here 5 minutes. I'm going to load only 3 days, and I'm going to leave the trading hours to the use instrument setting, which will show the Globex session, I think. So if I click on OK, all right. So I have my chart here up and running. So to apply the reference synchronizer indicator from Pro Suite Gold, we right click on the chart, we go to indicator. You should have a Pro Suite Gold folder available here. You double click and you just double click on the references synchronizer. And we have to set 3 properties to make it work here. And we have to scroll down to the data manager category. And we have to set the trading hours name, the period type name, and the period value. What are these properties? These properties just telling you where the market profile chart is coming from, what trading hours the market profile is using, and what is the type name, the chart type that the market profile is using. Obviously, this is always minute here, so it's pretty easy. And the period value that the market profile is displaying is 30 minute. These are 30 minutes bar chart for market profile usually. And the trading hours name, here in my workspace, we are using for the market profile chart, the pit session, so the CME US Index Future RTH. So once these three properties from the data manager category are set, you just click on OK, and immediately you can see now that we get all the value that we need here. Obviously, we have values also coming from the daily, the weekly, and the monthly chart. So if these charts are not open, you won't get them. You will get only those of the market profile, which is running. Absolutely. So if you want to get also all the other reference from the other charts, obviously these charts have to be up and running also. So that's how you apply the reference synchronizer indicator to any other chart. Here it doesn't matter if it is a bar chart, or let's apply here. I have a 5 minutes. I'm gonna apply let's say a 10 tick range, 5 tick range. Here we are, so you can see that it works. It works on all kind of charts, this indicator. Okay, so it's done now for the reference synchronizer. Now for we're gonna go with the flow the flow analyzer chart. Pretty easy. We're gonna create a new chart. Yes, and let's say I'm gonna apply here. It has to be minute to be working. The flow analyzer indicator works only on minute chart. So let's say we're gonna put here a 1 minute chart, 3 days, and we're gonna use the use instrument setting, or maybe I will be using here the pit session. I'm gonna click on OK. And here you just right click, indicators, you double click on Pro Suite Gold, and you have the Pro Suite Gold Flow Analyzer. Here, do we have something to set specially? Continuous session, the chart bar, everything seems to be fine here. You just click on it, and you have this indicator now up and running. Sorry, here I forgot. We also have the configuration category to set here. The volatility is the underlying swing that this indicator is using. I'm gonna put 10 for the ES, and the main session start time. This is the pit session, so I'm gonna use the right time here. It's 9:30 New York time, and click on OK. All right, and you get the flow analyzer chart working on that chart. Now the last one will be the market, the Pro Suite Gold market profile plus, builder plus. I'm gonna apply a chart. I'm gonna leave it at 30 minutes. No, maybe no. I'm gonna put 5 minute, a 5 minute chart here. All right. So we have the chart here. Here we just have to apply from the Pro Suite Gold the market profile Boulder Plus. And here, just to be sure, do you want to have a session profile or a minute profile? I want to have a minute profile. The profile minute is how many bars do we want the profile to be built? Here we have a 5 minute chart on the screen. Let's see, I'm gonna put one here. What does that mean? It means that to create the market profile, this indicator will use every 1 minute bar to merge them together so that we can have a market profile. And the duration minute is 30 because I want to have 30-minute profiles based or built on a 1 minute chart. That's what these three properties from the configuration category means. Other than that, I think that everything is fine. You just have to click on OK, and you see the menu appearing up there. Okay, if by default it is always set to selected here. If I click on all, I'm gonna get all market profile selected. Obviously, I have to double click to choose the one that I want to show, and you can apply the continuous VA high, VA low, and continuous POC lines. The tool text um, obviously is uh, the little box showing all the data, the info about the profile. But if I remember, I think that by default, I will change that delay here to be shown at 0. Okay, this is the delay that you can set here to show this text box, this info box on each profile. So you can see now that it is there. If you click on not show, it will not show. And you have the stat box, obviously. So it's been applied to a 5 minute chart. You can apply that also to a daily chart if you wish. And we're going to apply the indicator. It's under the Pro Suite Gold Market Profile Builder Plus. This is a daily chart. So I want to have the profile duration. I want to have session. And profile minute, how many minutes we want to merge a bar together to get this session profile. I'm going to leave it at 30. I want to have 30-minute bar to have a session profile for the day chart. And that's about it. Obviously here I still have the delay for my info box. And that's it. So if I click on all, you can see that I have profile for everything. Let's see here. I'm just selecting profile there. If I use the tool text, obviously you're gonna have all the info for every daily bar. So that's the way that you can use Pro Suite Gold indicators on charts outside of the Pro Suite Gold workspace, and it's as easy as that. And I really encourage you to use them. If you look an intraday chart for timing your trades based on the market profile in the Pro Suite, you can just apply the reference synchronizer to that chart or the market profile Boulder Plus and the flow analyzer. You can do anything you want. So I hope it helps. Thank you very much for watching this video and good trading.